This is the LED replacement for a Toshiba Z835-P330. Probably similar to many other. I've already removed the old screen. If you look in between it, there is a little gap that I used a butter knife. I mean, it just works as well. Be very careful. It's really flimsy plastic and can very easily crack, as I've done right out here actually a little bit. But once you just pop that off, there's just two little sticky things holding it on and the connector right here that actually holds it on. With the new screen, go ahead and pull this here. It's just a matter of connecting this little 40-pin adapter. It kind of goes in from the bottom. There's a little piece of tape that holds it in place. And let's see if we can get it in there. And just kind of push it in there. As you can see, it's already gone on because I just turned my laptop on accident. But as you can see, it's working already. But then you just kind of put it in place here. There's the sticky points there. You just kind of got to get it right in place there. And once it's in place, you take the same Toshiba background here and just snap it back in place around. Snap it in back around the edge of the screen. There's several of them. Just keep going around, work your way around, make sure they're all snapped in place. Especially the ones down here at the bottom. And once everything's smooth and no longer pops, there you have it. All set. Screen in place. Ready to go.